Hi, my name is Mary Mattingly, and the piece that I'm doing for Indicators, Artists, and Climate Change is called Along the Lines of Displacement, a Tropical Food Forest. The piece involves bringing tropical fruit trees from Florida to Storm King and installing them as if they're a living sculpture. The point of the project was really to explore global warming and the potentials for growing different foods in different climates. What if upstate New York has the potential to have more food sources with global warming? What is the conversation around that? It's going to be one that involves policy, and it's going to be one that involves loss, and it's also one that involves hope. In almost every city in the world, you can go and pick an apple from a tree if there are apple trees, but here you can't yet, and it's really important that we think about our future here and we think about more ways that we can get fresh food. So I think all of those things kind of made me determined to find people who are really passionate about this and try to work on something together that is bigger than any one of us, but that hopefully can make policy change.